Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at problem 38. It is from Chapter 9 of University Physics Volume 2 by OpenStax. Okay, in this problem, we have zero gauge copper wire, which does exist. It is real. It just seems kind of weird, right? Zero gauge. But it has a diameter of 8.252 millimeters. And we need to find the resistance. Okay, so find the resistance. That's what we're trying to find. All right, and we have a 1 kilometer length, and that's it. Okay, so let's write down what we know. Okay, so we have a diameter of 8.252 millimeters. That will need to be converted into meters, and we will also need to divide it in half to make it a radius. Okay, the length of the wire is 1 kilometer. We know it is copper wire, so we can look up the resistivity. And table 9.1 in the OpenStax book, University Physics Volume 2, tells us that for copper, the resistivity rho is 1.68 times 10 to the minus 8 ohm meters. Okay, and it is resistance that we need to find. Okay, well, we know resistance is rho L over area A. And the cross-section area of a copper wire is going to be circular. And so the area is pi r squared. All right, so we have R is rho L over pi r squared. Okay, so resistance rho, 1.68 times 10 to the minus 8 ohm meters, times the length of 1 kilometer. We need to convert that to meters, so replace the K with a times 10 cubed. Now we have meters. Divide all that by pi. Okay, so we need the 8.252. First, we need it in meters, so replace the little m with 10 to the minus 3. Then we need a radius. And we have a diameter, so we need to cut it in half, and we need to square it. Okay, I found the resistance is 3.14 times 10 to the minus 1 ohms. So the resistance is 0.314 ohms. Okay, that's going to do it for that problem. I hope you found it helpful and informative, and I will see you in the next one.